Disasters are unpredictable. They can happen anytime without a moment of notice. That is why it's always a good idea to have some prepper gears with you to face any emergency situation. These prepper gears are designed to be durable and packed with features to help you get through any uncertain situation. In today's video, we are going to show you the top 10 must-have prepper gear that you can easily keep at your home or in your backpack to make yourself fully prepared for the unknown.
Check the video description for the links of the products. Since you are a new channel, don't forget to subscribe us as it will help us grow. Now let's enjoy the video.
Stay prepared for any uncertain situation and accomplish any task efficiently with Leatherman Sarge, a feature-packed multi-tool that ensures you always have the right tool at hand. Featuring a stainless steel construction, this multi-tool comes included with 17 different tools in one compact body and provides easy access when you need them. It contains spring-action scissors, screwdriver, wire cutter, 2.9-inch blade and many more so that you can deal with any outdoor task like a pro. This multi-tool comes with a nylon sheet made out of ballistic material and features a tight closing metal rivet snap which keeps the multi-tool protected from outside elements and allows you to carry it with you wherever you go. When disaster strikes, you have to deal with a lot of tasks to survive, but with Leatherman Sarge multi-tool, you can do that efficiently and keep it in your backpack. Facing emergency situations in the dark can be stressful. That is why you should have the Fenix PD35 tag, a powerful flashlight that is built to provide you essential brightness at dark times. Utilizing a powerful Cree XPL LED, this versatile light can produce up to 1000 lumens of brightness with an impressive beam distance of 656 feet, ensuring you always have the essential brightness. It offers 4 lighting modes with a strobe mode that allows you to customize lighting conditions according to your need. This flashlight comes in a lightweight and durable aluminum alloy body with a scratch-resistant anodized finish that makes it impact resistance up to 3.3 meter drops. It also comes with IP-Exit rating that allows you to use it in wet conditions without any worry. The Fenix PD35 tag flashlight can provide essential brightness in any uncertain situations where brightness can become scarce and makes your work convenient. After a disaster, fresh drinkable water can be difficult to get. That is why you should have the Sawyer Mini, a unique water filtration system that ensures you always have fresh drinkable water in whatever situation you are. It comes with a reusable 0.1 micron absolute water filter that produces clean water from freshwater lakes, rivers, streams, and residential faucets without any chemicals or batteries required. This filter can remove all kinds of bacteria and protozoa and can filter up to 100,000 gallons of water without even stopping, so that you can always have enough drinkable water for you and your loved ones. It includes 2 16 ounces reusable squeeze pouch and 2 7 inches drinking straws that lets you filter water just by squeezing and easy drinking experience. The Sawyer mini filter helps to ensure fresh drinkable water in situations where water sources can become scarce so that you can stay hydrated. Fire can bring back your lost confidence in situations where you may find yourself hopeless. That is why you should have the UCO Titan Stormproof matches that lets you start a fire in any situation. It comes in 4 boxes of 25 matches, so 100 matches in total, so that you can always have enough matchsticks to start a fire. With a long 25 seconds burn time, this match lets you conveniently start a fire in any emergency situation without any hassle. The UCO Titan Stormproof matches are wind and waterproof, which means the matches are easy to light and will relight after being submerged in water. This match comes in super compact and lightweight size, which allows you to store them at a corner of your home and use it without any hassle. The UCO Titan Stormproof matches are ideal for emergency and survival applications where long burn time and weather resistance are the key. SUAOKI is world-famous survival accessories and gear manufacturer, well recognized by the outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Introducing the SUAOKI Survival Blanket, the most advanced emergency blanket for surviving the odds, designed never to fail when you are counting on it with your life. It's fabricated with vacuum metallized polyethylene, works to reflect 90% of your body heat, keeps you warm even in the wildest winter. You can open it easily and it will not shred if nicked or punctured. Rips and tears can be repaired. This durable blanket will not crinkle in high winds, plus its high visibility orange exterior makes it easy for rescuers to find you. Keep yourself warm and protected in any unpredictable situation with SUAOKI blanket and keep it in your home to stay prepared. The MiniMo cooking system combines Jetboil's tried and true efficiency and versatility with a convenient form factor to give you a cooking solution in time of a disaster. Powered by flux string technology, the MiniMo reaches a rolling boil in just over 2 minutes with half the fuel consumption of traditional systems. Equipped with Jetboil's proprietary regulator technology, it offers incremental heat adjustments from light simmer to full boil, perfect for sauteing greens, simmering sauces, and more. This stove features a metal handle with a redesigned flux string cooking cup, which is optimized for a low spoon angle and makes the MiniMo the perfect vessel for personal cooking and eating. Start heating instantly with a convenient, reliable push-button igniter and safe pack space with a clever sideways burner storage design. It also comes with a fuel canister stabilizer, which is easy to pack and carry at only 14.6 ounces. The Jetboil MiniMo cooking system allows you to prepare your meal conveniently in uncertain situations where normal cooking might become impossible, and it is super compact to be in any corner of your room. You can easily hurt yourself in a disastrous situation, and it's mostly scarce to get medical help in time of need. That is why you should have the Coleman all-purpose mini first aid kit that includes everything to provide a helping hand in time of need. This 27-piece travel first aid kit offers commonly used first aid essentials for minor emergencies, which includes antiseptic wipes, antibiotic ointment, and latex-free bandages so that you can always have the right kits at hand. The first aid kits are provided in a nostalgic brushed metal tin plate for crush-resistant storage and protection in emergency situations. The Coleman all-purpose mini first aid kit comes in a compact size which makes storing it a breeze and use it easily in time of need. Whether you need supplies for camping or want to stay prepared at home, you can rest easily with a first aid kit under the Coleman brand. You should store some emergency food supply at home to prepare yourself to face the unknown. That is why you should have the Grizzly Gear emergency food rations, which can keep you fed and healthy when it's needed the most. This emergency food package comes with 9 bars which can provide 400 calories each so that you can always have enough calorie to keep you energized. It can deliver up to 3600 calorie per ration pack and does an excellent job in non-thirst provoking, which makes them the ideal emergency food ration. Enriched with vitamins and minerals exceeding the RDA requirements, this product does not contain cholesterol or tropical oils. This product is USCG approved for 5-year shelf life within its durable, air-sealed mailer packaging to ensure preservation under all climatic conditions. The Grizzly Gear emergency food rations can be a lifesaver in any emergency situation and is a must-have as your prepper gear. When disaster strikes, power blackout is a common scenario. That is why you should have the SUAOKI portable solar generator. A solar power generator that provides essential flow of power to run all of your devices in any uncertain situation. Packed with a powerhouse 150 watt-hour battery, it comes with ample selection of ports to run from your smartphones to portable coolers so that you can always have enough power supply to run your devices. You can charge this power generator using 3 methods, which are using an AV 110 volt wall socket, a 100 watt solar panel kit, or from your car's 12 volt cigarette port, which makes it the ideal prepper gear for emergency situations. It comes with battery management system which enables voltage, temperature control and more advanced safeguard to ensure safety for you and your devices. It has a built-in LED light which can provide essential brightness in time of emergency. The solar portable generator is super compact and reliable to use. The SUAOKI portable solar generator is the perfect source of power supply in any uncertain situation and is an ideal prepper gear that you can always have at your home. When disaster strikes, it's difficult to have proper communication system, as network can become weak or unreachable in some places. That's why you should always have the Garmin InReach Mini, a powerful satellite communicator that keeps you connected no matter where you are. Utilizing a 100% global Iridium satellite network, this satellite communicator enables you to do two-way text messaging and stay connected in emergency situation. This satellite communicator lets you trigger an interactive SOS to the 24/7 search and rescue monitoring center in time of an emergency. You can easily access downloadable maps, US NOAA charts, color aerial imagery and more by using the free Garmin Earthmate app. This device lets you send and receive InReach messages through compatible Garmin devices, including connected wearables and handhelds. You can also track and share location with friends and family on web-based map share portal conveniently using this device. It features a powerful rechargeable battery which can last for up to 90 hours on tracking modes and a whopping 24 days in power save mode. because this device is IPX7 rating, which allows you to use it in wet conditions without any worry. The Garmin InReach Mini can keep you connected with your loved ones in any uncertain situation and is a must-have prepper gear for you. So that was all about the top 10 must-have prepper gear for you. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And do subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.